Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to reload the page when product variants changed on detail page. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration, then Theme Manager. Click Configure Theme and then go to Configuration tab. Uncheck Ajax Variant Switch checkbox. Now click Save and then click Start Process to compile the theme. Go to Front-End Shop and reload the web page to reflect the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.